The Socialist Revolutionary Party SOREPA Kanglei has called a general strike on August 15, the Independence Day of India. A statement issued by SOREPA Publicity and Organization Secretary MC Yaifabi alleged that India has been scheming to exterminate Kanglei Manipuri people after forcibly annexing Kanglei Park, Manipur. More than 35 ethnic communities have been living together in Kanglei Park for thousands of years, with each ethnic community enjoying a level of socio-political and economic autonomy, it said. SOREPA said that it would stand firm with the people in their fight against all those elements which have been plotting to balkanize Manipur after overlooking the fact that Manipur existed as a sovereign nation of several ethnic communities for more than 2,000 years. It said the erstwhile sovereign Manipur Kanglei Park was not built by a single ethnic group, but it is history of Mangang Luang Kuman, Ango Moirang, Khangamba Sarang Leisang Them, Aimol Anal Chiru Chothe Mar, Karam Koibu, Koirao Kom Lamkang, etc.